Oh, this bit's steep. Stay calm and collective. Calm and collective. This is a Zen zone. Zen.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
Hey guys, welcome. Let's do a room tour. We are at Cocoon Hotel. It is right in the center of El Nido, so everything you can just walk around to get to the restaurant, food, that and that. But let me show you the room. Look at this. We've got one queen bed, one single bed. So if Zoe's naughty, she'll be in the single bed. And then this is the best thing in this room, guys. Open this up, and then look at that view. Amazing. And then let me show you how spacious the toilet are. And then ta-da! It's huge. Because normally it's all in one pack. Like if you're showering and you're in the toilet, you can still get wet. But this one, amazing. You also got a blow hairdryer. And a TV. Important bit.
And somewhere to put all our stuff tidy.
It's quite a lot actually. And if it gets too hot, got a fan here as well.
And the first time that I've ever seen a blind for the aircon.
I don't even know. I think that's just a guess, but yeah, leave a comment down below, guys, what this is for. But I think it is for the aircon to stop it from going all the way down there. So it's just stopping the air on this side. But it's so cool.
The next day.
Good morning guys, and welcome back to another video. We have woken up very refreshed here in our new hotel, which is Cocoon. We are probably going to head to Duli Beach today. We've been wanting to do it for a while, but we've just I don't know why, we just kept putting it off because it's quite far. Apparently the road is quite bad, but we'll see. And also because of something called Nick. Is that what it's called?
It's like a fly. Is it a fly?
Like some weird, they're sand mites, I think. And personally, touch wood, touch wood, that I haven't yet experienced it. But Czar had some quite nasty nick bites from the other day, and until they covered up, he didn't really feel like it because he was so itchy. So today we have gone prepared. We're going to take some off lotion with us, and hopefully that will do the trick. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And I think it's worse if you go in the water. So we're probably not going to go in the water. We'll probably just stay on the beach. Okay guys, so we managed to rent a motorbike through the hotel for 500 pesos. It's more expensive because it's just for one day. But like we've said in previous videos, if you get weekly rentals, it's much cheaper. So 500 pesos, we put 200 pesos of fuel in the tank, and it takes 15 minutes to get to Duli Beach. So yeah, we're just going to enjoy the ride. It's so hot today. Like normally when you're on the bike, like you get a cool breeze, but it's so hot today. The wind is warm, so I'm boiling. How about you?
I'm so hot. Like my head is so itchy, but I can't even scratch it because of the helmet.
So yeah, we'll see you in Duli Beach.
guys, that was a hard bike. Oh my god. At one point I thought we were getting chased by dogs.
Yeah, that's the scariest thing actually. Like there was some kind of, like, it wasn't really us. It was like one dog came and like started like a turf war with the other dogs, and all of a sudden
You get in the middle.
about 50 different dogs from different places all started running, and there was one particular that was like looking at us like and we were like, oh my god, like as we're about to go up a huge hill and it's all rocky, but actually it was fine. And then there were goats but I don't think it was too bad. It's more just not knowing when it's going to end and not knowing if it's going to get any worse or better. So I feel like on the way back it won't seem as bad because we'll be like, oh, the worst of it's over. Whereas the whole time we were like, is it going to get worse?
But anyway guys, we are now in Duli Beach. I can't see anyone at the moment.
There's a few motorbikes though, so there must be people here.
Yeah, so
But
we're gonna...
it's very windy.
I think we came to Duli Beach in the hottest day. I'm so hot, I can't even take my top off because I'm too scared to get bit. We weren't even planning to dip in the sea, so we didn't bring our towels, and the sand is bloody lava. So hot.
Okay guys, so this is actually such a nice beach. We really wish we brought our swim stuff and like spent more time down here because we weren't expecting it to be so nice and like have so much to do here. We thought the sea was going to be really rough because it's a surfing beach, but actually you could 100% kayak or paddleboard or something here. We should have brought our swim stuff. And I'm really impressed. This beach is actually so nice. The sand is really soft, it's really pristine. I can't see any litter there's no litter. It's really well maintained, and I can't believe more people don't come here because it's really, actually, I'm so surprised how beautiful this beach is. Actually, I do know why people don't come here. It's because of the road.
The road is crazy, guys. So you need to have a good biking skills like me. So
we're not going to spend too much longer here because we're worried about it getting dark and that exact road we just said about. But yeah, guys, this beach is so big. The shoreline is massive, loads of palm trees, super peaceful, and there's quite a lot of activities you can do here. So you can rent a surfboard for $350 for 1 hour or $1,000 all day. You can get a paddleboard, a kayak, and you can even stay here overnight in one of the resort's bungalows, and I think it's 3,000 pesos per night for 2 people. So yeah, it's really, really nice here. I love this beach actually. Oh my god guys, I'm actually so shook. Like, YouTube doesn't do this place justice, and I bet our footage hasn't done it justice either, because like normally drones make places look better, but you said even on the drone it didn't do it justice.
no.
So this place really is amazing. Like, it's so nice. I'm speechless. I'm just talking a load of quack. Quack. A load of quack, because I don't know how to put it into words how nice this place is. And the sand. This is like
It's so hard to walk because
like it's
when
so
you walk,
yeah.
you just sink.
Your feet just sink. It's that soft, and there's like it's deep sand too. But cool.
It's like you're in the desert. It was like when
You
we
feel
were,
like you're in Dubai.
yeah, we were like in Dubai when we did that safari. Is that safari?
Yeah.
A safari tour. I'm like a turtle.
Also, Czar's got he looks really greasy, but it's because he put coconut oil.
Put coconut oil because there's a lot of knickknacks.
Although we haven't experienced any since being here.
But I hope not.
I look like an egg.
You're an egg without a helmet anyway. That's the wrong way round.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Safety first, guys. Safety first. Oh, quack! Should I get off?
No. You're good.
Are you sure?
Yep.
You're not using the front brake, no?
Nope.
I feel like I have to hold my breath. Keep it calm, Czar. Keep it calm. Sorry how zoomed in this is, guys.
You're the one who needs to be calm.
Sorry. I'm scared because Jan and Anne fell off. And I don't know what part they fell off on. Oh, this bit's steep. Stay calm and collective. Calm and collective. This is a zen zone. Zen. Zen. Keeping my cool. Keeping my cool. Ah, we made it. It's a good job my Habbo driver is very good. He's very skilled.
I'm an alpine.
Hi! What does that mean? So guys, on the way back it didn't even seem half as bad, and I think it's because like it seemed like it went really quick. So when you know the route, it doesn't seem as bad because you know you're nearly over or it's nearly done. What? So this time it hasn't seemed as bad. And then for most of the way you've got like the odd pavement. It's only the last bit where there's no pavement at all. So we're making it.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so we are at Biryani Kitchen. We found it's right next to our hotel. We keep walking past it since we've been here.
Smells good.
It smells nice though, but I got a chicken biryani and I think, what did you get, Zoe?
Mine is butter chicken with rice. Oh, where's my chapati?
On its way. But yeah, we're gonna eat soon. Well, we're gonna eat now.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Can't eat now.
Can't eat now. Alright guys, that food was nice. How are you feeling, Zoe? Is it nice? Did you like it?
I liked it, but I don't really have an appetite today. I'm struggling to eat. I feel a bit queasy.
We're sorry it's a bit dark, guys.
Queasy means like sick, but not like you're gonna be sick, just like a little bit ugh.
But anyway, we are walking back to the hotel now, so we're gonna end the vlog here.
At Sea Cocoon.
At Sea Cocoon. Just right here. So we're gonna end it here. Hopefully you like this vlog. Make sure to like,
Share,
subscribe,
press that notification bell,
and leave a comment down below.
let us know if you'll be visiting Duli Beach next time you're in El Nido.
Yeah. Peace.
Bye.